This person is waiting for a sign from you. Very, very clearly they're waiting for a sign to let them know that they can step forward to you. And it comes through that for some reason, like, they won't fully take that step until they get that sign. So you've got the Star card here and the Magician. So it's almost like they are manifesting you to be the one to come forward. They don't want to be the one that has to make that step, that has to be to kind of show you that they want you. So there's some kind of block in that. But I feel like with you, with the confidence that you have, if you was to step forward, they would welcome that with open arms. They're coming through as a bit shy here. I feel like this person, as much as they're interested in wanting you, they are not wanting to come forward because they're shy. And I don't necessarily feel it's like a fear of rejection, but it's almost like a fear of they shouldn't be the one. Like, there's something about them wanting you to come to them. They want you to show them what's going on. I feel like that they've been hurt in the past, and this is a huge block for them. And I feel that they feel very comfortable wherever they are now, whatever they're doing. They're kind of very comfortable in that setting, and stepping forward to you just feels triggering to them. So they just need to kind of, grow up. But you are making them feel like more sexy about themselves. They see you as the Queen of Wands, and you make them feel like you ignite a fire and a passion in them that they haven't had for a long time. They want to come to you with this solid offer here, because they know if they don't, if they let you go, they will regret not taking this opportunity, because opportunities like this do not come along that often. And so there is definitely this feeling of them regretting not taking the opportunity with you. So they feel a little bit stuck right now about what to do. They want you, they don't want to come forward for you, they don't want to risk being hurt, being rejected. They don't want to risk being rejected. So they're being quite calculating in how they're trying to maneuver this. They feel like they're having to maneuver everything and set things up. So they got a little bit of anxiety around this as well. What else can we see? There is so much passion that just came out in these cards. And you've got the Sun here. This person, Queen of Pentacles. This person come out as the King of Pentacles. A strong earth sign energy here. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and also fire. So Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. This person, there is really strong Leo energy around this region, by the way. This person really sees you as a divine counterpart. They see you as somebody that they could go the distance with. And they also feel like moving towards you is like the courageous step that they could take. It's like the right thing for them to do. It's the courageous thing for them to do. Again, the Five of Cups with the regret. They are either regretting already not doing something they should have done, or they're regretting the fact that they just can't come forward to you the way that they want to, but they will. And I feel that this is going to happen by springtime. So we're talking we're actually coming towards spring at the moment. So I feel like this is a slow burner, but it is still coming.